Taylor just drove by.
I saw that.
Oh, I see him now. Taylor!
Didn't he see you?
Uh-uh.
I guess he didn't know who you were.
No, he was about to take their rose. He was paying
Oh.
them. Okay,
Look at that, Marissa.
No way, Marissa.
There she is.
Snowman.
And there's Janet working so hard. She is.
Hard.
Look how thick it is.
It is thick.
It's awesome. Isn't this the best snow ever?
Yes. I've never seen it like this.
Hey, quit's not my dictionary.
Oh, she's getting angry.
The bottom's getting good.
Okay.
I know.
Me and Marissa are no longer friends.
Really?
This happens a lot, though. It's like a daily event.
Here.
That's a lopsided head.
I didn't get you carrying that. That was hilarious. I didn't take no time to do this.
Taking me some time because I've already broken one. Had to restart.
That's hard.